How to create MakeMyTrip account. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to create MakeMyTrip account. So here's the thing. First thing first, you want to open your respective app store. Type in MakeMyTrip and make sure to install the app. You could also use the web version if you want to. And once you're done installing the MakeMyTrip app on your device, you want to tap open that up. And here it's going to ask you to sign in, either sign up using your phone number or an email or Google as well. So I can go with any of these. You could just go ahead and type in your information and select confirm underneath. After which you will be asked to type in the OTP that has been sent to the registered email. So you just want to make sure to go ahead and scroll down, and there it is, and select submit underneath. Once you've done this, you will be asked to type in your full name and city of residence as well. You could also use this map or location feature and tap on the confirm button. Once done, you might also be asked to enable notification. If you don't want to, you could simply skip that part. And this way, you're supposed to create MakeMyTrip account. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.